Hey guys, today I'll be making vegetable soup. So let's get started. Here I have cut up all my favorite vegetables. You can use any of your favorite veggies for your soup. I'm going to be using about 1 cup of chopped celery, half a cup of sliced carrots, 1 small bok choy chopped, half a cup of sliced mushrooms, corn, half a cup of chopped onions, and about half a pod of sliced garlic. I'll also be using 1/4 cup of butter. And for the spices, I have salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon of your favorite hot sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sumac. And I also have a few tablespoons of white vinegar. So let's get started. So first I'll be adding in my butter. So now I'm going to be adding in my onions. So now I'm going to be adding in my garlic. And now I'm going to let this fry for about 30 seconds. Once you can smell the aroma of the garlic, you can then add your celery and your carrots. You can also add your bok choy. And then you're going to add your spices. And your vinegar. And now I'm going to be giving it a good mix. So I'm just going to let this fry for about 30 seconds, then I'm going to add the corn and the mushrooms. So now we are ready to add our mushrooms and our corn. And now I'm just going to mix everything together. So now we're going to be adding in 1 jug of water. So now we're going to let this come to a boil. Once your vegetables are nice and soft, your soup will be ready to serve.